Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, coming to you with another Take a Minute to Get It topic. When homeowners tell us they want us to take care of their nail pops, that can be anything from the actual nail pulling away from the house to just seeing the nail head sitting right on top of the surface. It's always a good idea to know the why behind the situation before trying to fix. We don't want to promise you something we can't fix and then have you be disappointed. Nails will slowly wiggle out if they are the wrong type or not long enough. There's a lot of contraction and expansion of the exterior materials. If the studs behind the walls have warped or shrunk. If there's been construction work in or around the areas where the nails are popping out. So for example, perhaps you had some drywall work done or the roofing done. You then have to be realistic as to what nail pops can be fixed or which ones are best to leave alone. Here is one that definitely can be fixed by just driving the nail back in and caulking. Here is one that was overdriven and will require caulking to keep water out. Here are some where the nail heads are really big. However, they are flush with the house, so in reality, they may not look nice, but there is no chance of water getting into the siding. So when discussing nail pops with your contractor, make sure you understand that a nail pulling away from the house can be fixed. A noticeable nail head sitting flush against the house may not be aesthetically pleasing, but there really isn't an issue with it. Thanks again for watching this video.